Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Kindergarten Video Lectures. Let's explore, learn, and have fun together on this exciting educational journey.
Dear kids, let's meet with the new number 8. A spider has 8 legs. They help it to climb. It makes its web. Look at the picture and count which objects are in number 8. Now come on the beads bar. Let's see how many beads are there on the left side on the bead bar. 8 legs, 8 sunflowers, 8 stars. Dear kids, do you know how many legs does the spider have? See you in the next lesson.